January 27th, 2026, trade recap. This is how you hit full TP on a birthday trade, baby. Full TP on a birthday trade. Let's hide these. All right, so birthday. Cool. Let me show you how price action delivered some of the best setups, or actually some of the best price action we've seen all month, honestly. And then I'm also going to go over a gold trade I took last night that absolutely blew my mind. Like, okay, whatever. Let's get into it, right? Starting off, 4-hour time frame, both NQ and ES. What do we have? Okay, cool. On NQ, we have a what? Oh yeah. Okay. We're good. So on NQ, we have an unfilled 4-hour bearish, bullish. ES we did too, but we already tapped into it, so I didn't map it out. We had these hourly lows, or 4-hour lows. Okay. Going into the 1 hour, what do we have? On ES, or on NQ, we also had another hourly bullish unfilled, and then another hourly bullish unfilled right over here. And we had some hourly highs right here. I forgot to mention these hourly highs, or 4-hour highs from all the way back. From the, what is this? The 13th? Yeah, the 13th. Okay. Yes. Hourly bullish. Hourly unfilled bullish right here. Highs right here. We had some more highs. Actually, these were equal highs right here. Okay. We got some equal highs of these hourly and then these hourly as well. And then we had some more highs sitting up here. Cool. How do we take the trade? Well, market opens. Okay. Market opens. We shoot straight down on both ES and NQ. ES, we just fully fill out this hourly bullish fair value gap. NQ, we go a little past that and we fill out the second hourly bullish fair value gap. Okay. From there, forgot to mention, my bias is extremely bullish because of these, well, both NQ having, hold on. What was it, home? No. Anyway, not only do we have perfectly equal highs on ES, we had relatively equal highs on NQ. Money. That's literally money right there, right? Immediately, and we're not too far away from it, right? We opened 61 points away. Now, what I would have hated to see happen is for us to go straight up and take out these hourly, these equal highs. But thankfully, that's not what happened. We decided to manipulate first. Cool. So what happened here, right? Well, I was so bullish on the day that I honestly answered off the small, like the least, the weakest confluence. Okay, which let me show you here. Where is this, bro? I know I didn't delete it, right? No, there's no way. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here. Okay. NQ, what did we enter off of? Well, we entered off of just pure momentum, honestly. I saw really good momentum coming up out of this gap. And our risk would have been really low, or was really low. I answered in with one contract on NQ. 27 points, that would have been like $50-something risk. If we got stopped out, I wouldn't have been mad. Same thing on ES. Decent momentum. Decided to enter. Now we have, wanted to manipulate a little lower on ES, take out this gap, sure. But I would not have been mad. I only entered 2 micro contracts on ES, right? For 3.6 RR on NQ and a 4.77 RR on ES. From there, okay. We just ran it up. Long story short, I ended up adding, I think it was one contract extra on ES. Yeah, it was one contract on ES on this retracement right here. So it was like somewhere around. No, I added one on NQ. Forgot where though. It was either here or here. I don't remember. No. It was after. It was somewhere around right here because we had a 5 minute gap that we actually kind of rejected off of, which I got a little worried about because I thought we'd want to manipulate a little lower. But as soon as we respected this 1 minute, I was like, yeah, buddy, we're adding on to this position. So we added on some more risk on NQ. And we hit full take profit on both. And I actually took it on 3 accounts total. So we're up $700-ish on the day. Okay, cool. Now, yesterday's tomfoolery. Oh my god. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is kind of what the trade looked like. I forgot I deleted the actual drawings, but here's the best part. I live streamed it all and I have a video recording of it. So there is evidence of me taking this trade and this exact same thing happening, okay? This exact thing, right? So, coming into the day on gold, right? This is Asia session. What do I see? Okay, I see us. We came into this hourly gap or this opening gap, and I see we're rejecting. Okay, we're right here. This is market open. This candle right here. Okay, cool. I'm like, there is no way we're not gonna want to at least take out this hourly unfilled. Okay, there's no just no chance. Cool. So market opens. I enter a little delayed. Honestly, I would have wanted to enter like a little sooner. But I was at the gym when I entered, and so I entered. And okay, cool. We come up. We're cruising. Right. Whatever. No biggie. And I see we start to reverse, which is it's fine. Reversals happen. We had a 30-minute that we formed right over here. So I'm like, yeah, it's not a big deal. It's just going to retrace into the 30-minute. Okay. No big deal. So we start coming down lower and lower and lower and lower. And I'm starting to get scared because we're going past this 30-minute right here. Okay. And we start coming past this 30-minute. We actually have a 5-minute too that I mapped out. And I'm like, okay, bro, there's no chance we're gonna come below this 30-minute, right? I didn't have stops at break even at this point. Keep in mind, right? It's like there's no chance we're gonna come back below this 30-minute and then proceed to go back up again, right? So I held my stops right over here. Okay, so I held my stops right over here, and this is actually way more than what I actually got stopped out by. I got stopped out by 0.3 ticks. 0.3 of a thing on gold. Okay? Whatever. No big deal. I get it. Things happen. It is what it is, right? And then I saw it come back up, though. And I was like, man, this is looking good. I was thinking to myself, I'm like, man, bro, if we inverse this 5-minute, let's clean this up a little bit. I was thinking if we inverse this 5-minute right here, okay, I'm gonna be back in. I'm going back in. And so I did. As soon as we inversed that 5 minute, right over here. Stops were at this candle's body's low. Take profit was a little more conservative this time around. It was at these high. It was at these highs right here. Okay, it's right over here. Cool. I kid you not. The moment I entered, we had like some news ass candle. News ass candle. It looked like news. I don't think it was news. It could have been. I'm not sure though. The moment I entered, it comes down, stops me out, okay? And then look what happens. We top tick my final TP, or what would have been my final TP. Granted, I only did lose 160 on this day, right? That's why risk management is important. But I had no words. And again, I live streamed all of this on Kick. Void of Trades on Kick. So there's evidence, and I am gonna start clip farming that, and I will post it everywhere. To the bah, that sound, yeah, it's getting literally littered everywhere on my social media. But this was ridiculous. I couldn't believe this. Right? But it's okay though because we won a trace today. So, long story short, moral of the story: don't be a loser. I don't even know how. I mean, I didn't really necessarily do nothing wrong. I had stops at a decent place. I maybe could have had him like down here, or maybe could have had him at break even, but I still would have gotten stopped out at this trade. And it just wasn't fun. But it is what it is. That's why you keep your risk low and your reward high. Okay? You win big and you keep your losses small. So that's how you become profitable, as long as you're somewhat of a decent trader. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. Take it easy.